Hi viewers, in this tutorial I will cover the topic of sketching, a very basic sort of sketching, which will include the sketching a point, constraining the point, and creating your first line segment in the sketch mode of Creo Parametric. Now we are already into the part mode in Creo Parametric, and you can see that three planes and origin. You can see here in the model tree, this is the part, one coordinate axes, right datum, top and front, which are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay, so now we will start with the sketch option, and now we are going to create this sketch on front plane. So as we select the front plane, this says that your sketch plane is front, but your sketch orientation is right plane, which is the right plane's orientation is right. That is this is your right plane. So your right plane is oriented such that its normal direction, that is positive x direction, is toward the right side of this drawing board. This front plane is your drawing board, and now we are going to left click this sketch button, and now we can see that our drawing board is not oriented normal to the screen. We can orient it by pressing the middle mouse button and moving the mouse around, but it will not give you the exact direction. So what is the option to have a normal front plane, normal to your sight, normal to your vision, is to select the sketch view orientation that will orient the sketching plane parallel to the screen. Okay, so this is your front plane now, which is your drawing board. Now this line is representing the right plane, and this line is representing the top plane. So we can hide these datums from the select all option, and now we can create our sketch entities by using these two lines, which are representing basically the right plane and top plane as the references. Okay, so I will start with the point entity. It will create a geometric point. So left click on it, and then click on in this. These are the four quadrants as in the mathematics geometry. First quadrant, x and y are both positive. This is second quadrant, x negative, y positive. This is third quadrant, x and y both negative, and this is fourth quadrant, which is x positive but y negative. Now we will draw in the first quadrant, and we will place the point here with left click, and we will get out of the command by selecting this arrow. Now these are the two dimensions which are displaying it as ST1. S stands for sketch, D1 is a variable for dimension, and the weak in the bracket shows that this dimension is weak because it is already given. We have not changed it, so we can, if we will change it, then we can convert it into strong dimension. We will double click this dimension and write 100 here and press enter on the keyboard. Similarly, this dimension will be 75 and press enter on the keyboard too. Okay, now we will scroll the middle mouse button's wheels to zoom in. So this is your first point. Okay guys, so this is your first point, and now we will create another point somewhere around this in inclined position, and then we will press left click. These are another two dimensions. We will keep this dimension to be 175. Press enter on the keyboard. 200. Press enter on the keyboard. Okay, now we are going to, in the next part, we are going to sketch a line using these 2 points, which will be a line segment after creation. So we will left click on this line option, select this first point, left click, and then we can left click on the second point to complete our line segment. We will get out of this line command using this mouse click, and then so this is the first sketch. We can drag the dimensions as away as we like, and now we can press OK here, and so we are with our first generated sketch in the Creo. If you like the video, then press like and subscribe the channel to get more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.